Oh, sí, güey.
Okay. So we're writing the definition of adjective, a word or phrase used to describe other words. So instead of just saying an egg, which if you think about an egg, you think about a little white, round, oval-shaped thing, right? But if you hear rotten egg, that gives you a whole different visual, doesn't it? Yeah. You're not thinking about that nice white or brown egg anymore. You're thinking about something kind of disgusting. So when you use these descriptive words, you're letting your reader visualize what you're trying to say. It's not just an egg that I accidentally ate, Walter. It was a rotten egg. And it was nasty. That egg was nasty. Let's see. I'm going to give you a number.
1.
Just for fun. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Right, all that.
Yeah.
The red stuff.
You don't have to write that, just the
One print?
definition.
What?
All the ones, come pick a fruit and take it back to your desk. Two.
And mine?
What do you mean, other one?
If I gave you the number 1, come pick a fruit. Quickly. 2, 3, let's go.
Yeah, another one.
Just pick one bag.
Who else is 3?
Quickly. Number 2s, come pick a bag of fruit. Just pick a bag of fruit then. My word, you're right there. Number 3s, come pick a bag of fruit. I saw that. Just saying.
I'm number 3, please.
All right, so everybody has picked a bag of fruit. Voices off.
These were free or you're going to charge for us?
3, 2,
Give me a pen.
1. Voices off. You need a pen. Walter. Alright, so I'm going to give you directions with what you're going to do with your fruit in just a moment. But for right now, I gave you a little bit of support. I wrote the words on the backboard. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You have one of those
What
fruits.
is
This is a raspberry. Okay? This is a blackberry.
This is the
That's a
blackberry.
phone?
And this one is a strawberry. There's no apples.
Oh, really? Which one is cherry?
Here's the disclosure. I bought all this fruit at
This is the
Kroger last
raspberry?
night. Raspberry.
How much you spend on
Why
it?
is not raspberry?
And I also washed it all this morning. So all the fruit is clean.
This is blackberry. Why is this not red?
Keep it together.
Wait, Canero?
Here's what you're going to do. Voices off, Carlos. Brainstorm. You're going to describe your fruit. Use your senses, all of your senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell, to think of words to describe your fruit. You can jot down words in your native language if you must, but you have to translate them to English. So if you're trying to think of a word and you're like, I don't know how to say that in English, jot it down in your native language, and then you can look it up to translate it. So you're just going to make a list of words that describe your fruit. Questions about what you should be doing?
No.
Okay, I'm going to put 5 minutes on the clock to give you plenty of time to explore your fruit.